Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer components into Storybook with Chromatic QA, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Storybook and Chromatic installed in your project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command to install Storybook if it's not already installed. Once Storybook is set up, create a new directory for your components if one does not exist. Add your component files into this directory. Next, write stories for each of your components. Each story should showcase the different states of your components. Ensure your stories are saved in a .stories.js or .stories.jsx file. After creating the stories, run Storybook locally to review your components. Use the command npm run storybook to launch the local development server. Navigate to the URL provided in your terminal to access the Storybook interface. Once you've verified that your components work correctly, it's time to integrate Chromatic. Install Chromatic by running the command provided in their documentation. Next, log into Chromatic using your GitHub or email credentials. After logging in, connect Chromatic to your Storybook. This process usually involves linking your repository for version control. Now, publish your Storybook to Chromatic using the command npx chromatic project token your project token. Replace your project token with the actual token found in your Chromatic dashboard. Once published, navigate to your Chromatic dashboard to review the generated visual snapshots. You can compare different versions of your components directly in Chromatic. Utilize the visual regression testing features to catch any design discrepancies. Take advantage of the review workflows in Chromatic for team collaboration. Communicate feedback through comments directly on the visual snapshots. After resolving any issues, redeploy your components to Chromatic as needed. This process ensures all changes are tracked and reviewed systematically. Finally, continue to update your components and stories as your project evolves. Regularly publish updates to Chromatic to maintain quality control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.